IPL Student Connect is a partnership between Irving Public Library and Irving ISD that enables 9th through 12th grade students to utilize their student ID as an Irving Public Library student card. Students can learn how to access digital resources through the Irving Public Library with just a few steps. All you need is your Irving ISD 6-digit student ID number. Your student ID number is used for your IPL Student Connect barcode and PIN. Your PIN is the last 4 numbers of your student ID. Please check with your school if you do not know your student ID number. Your IPL Student Connect barcode starts with 23163, then 770, followed by your 6-digit student ID number. For example, if your student ID number is 123456, your IPL Student Connect barcode would be 23163, 770, 123456. Your IPL Student Connect PIN is made up of the last 4 numbers of your student ID number. For example, if your student ID number is 123456, your PIN would be 3456. You can now use your IPL Student Connect barcode number and PIN to log into Irving Public Library's digital download services, research databases, and online courses. Watch our how-to log into your library account to learn how to access services and our student card video to see what online services are available. Get started with IPL Student Connect today.